Instruments and their least count. Micrometer 0.01 millimeters. Vernier caliper 0.02 millimeters. Digital caliper 0.01 millimeters. Vernier depth gauge 0.02 millimeters. Vernier height gauge 0.02 millimeters. Digital micrometer 0.001 millimeters. Outside micrometer 0.01 millimeters. Steel scale 1 millimeter. Glass scale 0.1 millimeters. Pressure gauge 1 bar. Digital pressure gauge 0.01 bar. Bevel protractor 5 foot 5 seconds. Depth micrometer 0.01 millimeters. Digital protractor 0.1 degree. Laser interferometer 0.1 nanometer. Measuring tap 1 millimeter. Dial gauge 0.01 millimeters.